My house wasn't affected directly. I live on the other side of the lake from here, and I met a lot of people through the cleanup process and the fundraising that our organization did afterwards. But it's been an emotional thing for me, even not having lost my home. It does get better. On days like today, sometimes the emotions can come roaring back. And I know there are a lot of people who were directly affected, who did lose their homes. Luckily, we didn't have much loss of life in Rowlett, but we did have a lot of property damage and destruction. And people still get very nervous when they hear thunder or see lightning or when high winds blow through, and that's understandable, I think.